Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a Google account and a clear ballot list before you begin. Once ready, open Google Forms and create a blank form. Give it a precise title and short description so voters know purpose. Make initial choices. Set form language, add an election date in description, and choose whether to collect email addresses. Make sure to turn on Limit to One Response if you require single voting per account. That prevents casual duplicate submissions. Start adding ballot items using appropriate question types. Multiple choice for one-winner races, checkboxes for multi-select races, and drop-downs for long lists. Once done, organize the form into sections so each office or issue appears on its own screen. This reduces voter confusion. Make every voting question required and provide short instructions under each question. That reduces incomplete ballots. Use the duplicate button for consistent formatting and the image option for candidate photos or party logos when appropriate. Before launching, open settings and choose response restrictions. Collect email addresses, limit to one response, and disable edit after submit unless provisional edits are allowed. Once configured, preview and run several test votes using different accounts to verify logic, required flags, and branching. After testing, distribute the link or send invitations via email. Monitor responses in real time and export to Google Sheets or CSV for secure tallying. If counts look wrong, recheck required toggles and section jumps as a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.